Here is something you can do if you want to check a concrete slab, and you can use this method. For example, if you are checking an existing foundation or a new slab, you can just simply spray some water on the slab and find the low spots. And obviously they're not going to be perfect circles, but after you have found them, you can just simply mark them. Just grab a spray can or maybe even a felt marker and mark around the perimeter of the low spot. And if it's going to be underneath a wall that needs to be straight, then you're going to know about it in advance and you're going to be able to make the necessary adjustments to the framing. And again, this is something you don't need to do, but it is another option. And to wrap the video up, I'm going to provide you with some pictures of a house that was built when it was raining to give you an idea of the low spots in that home. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.